Looking to find a more powerful and functional vacuum sealer for home use than whatever Walmart or Target have on their shelves in store? We found just the thing you need, a commercial vacuum sealer. Below, find Heavy's top choices for the best commercial vacuum.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Weston Pro 2300 Commercial Stainless Steel Vacuum Sealer. Editor's choice. If you're searching for a state-of-the-art vacuum sealer, the Weston Pro 2300 is one to check out. Constructed with strong stainless steel, the powerful device transmits up to 935 watts to its 28-inch pump. With this strength, it ensures that not even the smallest trace of moisture is left or sneaks through. This can be especially useful if you need to seal oily food, which can sometimes make the bag's edges slip. This adaptable device works with bags of all sizes, including up to 15-inch ones. With this adaptability, you can secure tricky items, including whole fish. To confirm that the bags are evenly sealed, you can peer into the machine's transparent lid. This will also help you keep an eye on how well the item is being sealed and whether you need to adjust the settings. You can also monitor the process by watching the front LED light progress bar. In addition to the bright progress bar, you'll notice 3 other colorful buttons on the front. These allow you to start, manually seal, and stop the machine. These one-touch operations are straightforward, making it a great option for beginners. As the machine runs, its heavy-duty fan will automatically twirl. As you continue to use the sealer, the fan will release cool air around the motor so that it doesn't overheat. For extra protection, you'll also find a 10-amp bus fuse along the side, which works as a circuit breaker. You can alter this fuse as necessary. Keep in mind though that you'll need to purchase sealer bags before using the Weston Pro 2300. The company does offer some you can purchase separately, including 6x10-inch and 8x12-inch ones. You can also use non-brand bags, but they. Number 2. PrimalTek 123 Commercial Grade Vacuum Sealer. Runner-up. At first glance, you wouldn't necessarily think this device was a vacuum sealer, but on closer inspection, you'll discover that behind this slightly bulky facade is a remarkable machine. While it might look intimidating to some, this option by PrimalTek is surprisingly user-friendly, and its features amplify this. The PrimalTek sealer is equipped with a plethora of great features, but perhaps one of its most helpful is its bag positioning guides. By securing the vacuum bag within these guides, it keeps them in the correct alignment. As the bags roll through the machine, its 28-inch vacuum quickly works to remove moisture. This keeps your food fresher for longer periods of time. You'll also notice that the appliance is equipped with a double seal bar. This monitors the heat around the seal to make sure it's properly closed. Another perk of this machine is its clear lid, allowing you to closely watch the sealing compartment. While this might seem unnecessary, it can be quite helpful if you'd like to observe the process. If you need to adjust something, simply press one of the many functions on the sealer's lid. Some you'll find include marinate, pulse, and seal only. If you'd like to cancel the job, simply touch the cancel button situated on its right side. To prevent the appliance from overheating, there's an auto cooling system. This will keep the motor cool, so you can seal items for as long as necessary. There's also a progress bar stretched across the top. This measurer will slowly light up in orange to show you how much longer the process will take. On average, this will take about 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the item size. Once you're done, you can. Number 3. WeVac CV12 Vacuum Sealer. WeVac has been in the vacuum sealing business for over 15 years, and their products certainly show this expertise. Their CV12 model is extremely versatile, but it's mainly designed to preserve oily foods and liquids, like meats and sauces. How is this done? Simply with its innovative double seal wires that form a strong bond between the bag's edges. However, you need to make sure the piece is properly aligned inside, otherwise, it might not seal correctly. Unlike many commercial sealers, this option is square rather than rectangular. It measures 14.5 x 18.1 inches and can hold bags as large as 11 x 16 inches. It features a deep interior chamber, 12.2 x 13 x 3.9 inches, that holds the food as it gets sealed. Thanks to the model's transparent chamber lid, you can peek in to watch the process. As you get to know the appliance, you'll find it's built with a plethora of fantastic settings. One is its SmartVac option. If you don't want to manually adjust the vacuum, you can use this. All you have to do is press a button that tells the machine the bag size. There are also marinate and seal functions. Once you activate the sealer, its dry piston pump will get to work absorbing air. Webac's clever vacuum pump makes sure that all moisture is gone, so that nothing leaks out and there's no chance of freeze or burn. While the CV12 is quite durable, there are a few things to remember. One is that the chamber does need to be wiped out occasionally. By doing so, it keeps the piece strong and prevents future bags from getting left behind gunk on them. It's also somewhat heavy, 36 pounds, so you can't always move it around to different areas. Overall, if you're looking for a well-made and stylish commercial vac. Number 4. LEM Products 1253 Maxvac 500. LEM Maxvac is a snazzy option that's perfect for those who need a reliable yet simple machine. Built out of strong aluminum, it includes a one-handed locking lid. As its name implies, you can slowly close the lid with one hand while using the other to keep the bag aligned in the seal bar. Along the edges of this pristine lid are 1/4 inch heat strips. These can safely seal up to 14-inch bags. As the LEM Maxvac runs, its powerful piston pump, 462 watts, will quickly seal anything from small to large items, including juicy steaks. You can adjust the vacuum pressure yourself or press the auto mode. With this, the machine will use smart technology to determine the right sealing settings. This appliance also provides a useful cutter that you can use to measure and snip the vacuum bag to your preferred size. If you have leftover vacuum roll material, you can slide that into its interior holder for future use. While there are numerous accessories built into the device, one of its biggest benefits is a spill trough. This piece will catch any liquid that might ooze out during the seal. You can then remove and rinse it. LEM Maxvac works for up to 5 hours before shutting off for a break. While some might dislike this, the feature is meant to protect the device, so it stays durable. Even within 5 hours of continuous use, you can quickly seal up to 500 items. This machine also includes other ETL-certified safety features, like a built-in circuit breaker and a fan to keep the motor comfortable. This product comes with an 8x 25-inch roll of vacuum bag. Its 6-foot cord is also detachable and can be stored in a small back compartment. If this is your first time using a commercial sealer, don't worry. LEM includes a helpful product manual